The 7 best houseplants for beginners. There is a reason golden pothos, Epiphromnum pinnatum aureum, is one of the most popular hanging plants around. In its native habitat, golden pothos grows into a tree-swallowing monster with huge yellow and green leaves. A well-grown spider plant, chlorophytum, is a magnificent thing. The plant grows easily in baskets or atop columns with arching leaves. The variegated variety is by far the most common. Over time, a mature plant will send out plantlets or offsets on long stems that form an impressive hanging display. In the same family that includes Dracaena and Liriope, there are many varieties of Sansevieria S. trifasciata or S. trifasciata laurenti that are exceptionally tough. They like plenty of light, but they can handle less if necessary, and they are not too particular about watering, as long as it is not too much. They also thrive in an office environment. There are many varieties of Dracaena suitable for home growth. The D. Draco and D. marginata are wonderfully easy plants that tolerate a wide variety of conditions. These plants feature arching leaves from a woody stem. There are dozens of varieties of succulents and desert cacti flooding into garden centers and grocery stores. In general, succulents are desert plants with thick, fleshy leaves. Some of them have spines and some none. Agave is an example of a popular succulent, along with aloe and popular Echeveria rosettes. These plants have gained an unfair reputation, probably because of the difficulty required to coax a bloom from a bromeliad. It is true that making these jungle plants bloom in the house is a tricky task. They require copious warmth and water, along with high humidity and filtered light to produce their showy flower spikes. Technically a Dracaena species, lucky bamboo Dracaena sanderiana is the perennial office plant. Untold pots of these thrive in awful conditions, such as sporadically watered with bad lighting and poor air quality. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.